With James Marsden coming back to play Cyclops in Avengers Doomsday, let's answer the big question: why did Fox kill off Cyclops in such a humiliating way? If you guys don't already know, Cyclops was done dirty in the movies, especially in the third X-Men movie, where he got an off-screen death. And do you want to know why Cyclops got an off-screen death with no payoff in The Last Stand? It's because Fox wanted to punish James Marsden. Back when X-Men The Last Stand was filming, James Marsden was busy filming another movie. James Marsden was more committed to filming Superman Returns. And in a way, it was a lose-lose scenario. Because both movies were bad, but I think even James Marsden knew he was wasting time with the Fox movie because they already sidelined Cyclops and they did him dirty. He didn't see the point of committing to that world if they were just going to keep doing him dirty, so he committed to Superman. And let me tell you, Fox was not happy that James Marsden chose Superman over X-Men. So they decided to punish both the actor and the character and give Cyclops an off-screen death in The Last Stand instead of figuring out how to write around his absence in the movie. I felt bad for James Marsden at the time because Fox already punished him by not making Cyclops the leader of the X-Men in favor of Wolverine and Storm, and they decided to punish him even more for no reason just because he committed to another movie. Even James Marsden knew if he picked X-Men over Superman, it wouldn't make that much of a difference. He would have been sidelined anyway, so what's the point? And now, with James Marsden coming back to play Cyclops in Avengers Doomsday, he has a chance to really shine and prove Fox wrong. I'm fully expecting most, if not all, of the X-Men to die in Doomsday and Secret Wars because Marvel's rebooting the X-Men for the MCU after the soft reboot. It makes sense. They're not going to keep these actors forever. So while I'm fully expecting all of these mutants to die, hopefully they all have time to shine in Doomsday and Secret Wars before they eventually get killed. I'm trying to see Cyclops do some crazy things in Doomsday before James Marsden hangs up the visor for good. What are your thoughts on Fox's reason for killing off Cyclops off screen?